In today's Cryptolinkup, we highlight Bitcoin crossing 90K as inflation worries rise, ETFs attract major investor inflows, and Coinbase expands into XRP futures. Also, a security flaw rattles XRP developers, WazirX outlines its recovery after a major hack, and a UN report tracks how crime syndicates are evolving their crypto tactics. Let's get into today's updates. Bitcoin surged above $90,000 after the IMF's latest economic report pointed to higher US inflation and slower growth. The crypto market responded fast, with total capitalization hitting $2.9 trillion and coins like Ethereum and Solana up around 5%. Analysts say this jump reflects Bitcoin's growing independence from traditional markets as investors hedge against shaky monetary policies and trade uncertainty. Safe haven assets like gold also gained, while the US dollar dropped to a 3-year low. Next up, a big move in the ETF space. US Bitcoin ETFs saw their largest inflow since January, raking in $381.3 million in a single day. ARK21 shares led the charge, with Fidelity and BlackRock not far behind. This wave of investment pushed Bitcoin's market value to $1.75 trillion. Despite some more recent market dips tied to global tariffs, analysts say Bitcoin's resilience is drawing fresh attention from cautious investors. Coinbase makes its next move. Coinbase has rolled out XRP futures contracts on its US derivatives platform, offering both large-scale and smaller nano versions. These futures let traders bet on price movements or hedge their positions using leverage. Basically, tools for both pro and retail investors. The move is part of Coinbase's effort to grow its futures lineup, which now includes everything from major tokens to meme coins. This comes as XRP's market cap hits $120 billion after the SEC dropped its case against Ripple. Before we continue, I want to ask you to please take a moment to subscribe and give us a thumbs up so we know you find these videos valuable. It would really mean a lot, so let us know you're listening. Continuing on with trouble for XRP developers. A major flaw was found in a JavaScript library used in xrpledger projects, opening the door to potential supply chain attacks. The bug could have allowed hackers to steal private keys and access wallets. Engineers move fast to patch the issue and are urging users to update. The XRP ledger itself wasn't affected, but any project using the older code is at risk if not updated. Big news from India. Indian exchange WazirX is aiming for a comeback after a $230 million hack last year, blamed on the Lazarus Group. A Singapore court will decide in May on its restructuring plan, which promises customers about 85% of their lost funds, plus recovery tokens. If approved, the platform will relaunch within 2 weeks. The company says investigations and recovery efforts are still ongoing. Last up, a warning from the UN. A new United Nations report reveals organized crime groups in Southeast Asia are building their own crypto infrastructure to launder billions. These syndicates run everything from exchanges to stablecoins and have processed over $24 billion through platforms like the rebranded Hawang. Using tools like AI and blockchain, they operate scam centers in places like Myanmar and Cambodia. The reports warn they are expanding fast, calling on governments to tighten oversight. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.